Have you ever used a beam balance or understood the principle behind the working of a beam balance? This is what we are going to show using our already made beam balance, which is already balanced. This one serving as the pans. Now, before you use a beam balance, usually you need a standard. A standard is one which is already determined, like this one is 100 grams. And we have some sand here, which we are going to measure out to compare with the standard and find out if we are going to measure it out on this other side. So we are going to put our standard on one side, like we put it here. Then we are going to add our sand on this other side. So we find that now the sand has tilted on the other side. We have to remove a bit. Just the same way they've been doing it when we are measuring out sugar or flour. To measure maybe a kilo or 250, standard for that matter, then remove like that. So it has tilted on the other side. We have to return a bit, just like they do it in the shops. Remember, this beam balance, we are using locally available materials to enable us show the concepts and make them easier to understand. Everything here is locally available to make it easier to understand. So when we pour like that, now this one is balanced, to mean that the sand here and the mass which we have standard here are equal. So the sand here is now 100 grams. So this one is how we use a beam balance, and we were proposing that we first of all make and then we use a beam balance. So we have made our beam balance from the locally available materials, and then we have used it to determine the mass of sand. So the mass here